Daniel, a 16-year-old boy with little money, discovers an old notebook and writes, "Money comes from solving problems." Curious and determined, he begins observing people in his neighborhood, noticing small problems they face, like a woman with a broken phone, a confused shop owner, and a struggling student. He starts learning practical skills, fixing devices, helping with homework, and promoting products using free resources and careful observation. Slowly, he earns small payments, which he reinvests into improving his skills and tools. As he helps more people, his reputation grows through word of mouth. By the end, Daniel's notebook is full of lessons and strategies, symbolizing his growth and consistent effort. He realizes that true success comes not from chasing money, but from solving problems and creating value.